Hi and welcome to Indus, the SAP user group for the Indian subcontinent. We have launched the new Indus community website which has various special features, and I shall assist you today to navigate this website. Right now we are on the home page where you can see various tabs: events, news, discussions, GST, FAQs and contact. You can click on join now to join the Indus community. You also get an update on the upcoming events and take part in discussions. Moving on to the About Us tab, clicking on to Indus board, you will find the list of Indus board members as well as the chairman. You can contact the Indus board members by writing to board@induscommunity.com. You can also reach out to the chairman by writing to chairman@induscommunity.com. You have operation teams, Indus members, which will take you to the member list here. You can also browse all the members and to contact us. Here you will find all the coordinates to connect with the Indus community. Moving on to Member Center, Join Indus. This is on why one should be joining the community. Membership fees. There are various levels of membership: patron member, patron partner member, customer member. You can find all the details here. Moving on to Membership Code of Ethics. It has a list of code of ethics for all the members. Member updates, patron members, leaderboard, you will get updates on your scores here. Every blog share earns you 10 points, attending events 25 points, webinars 10 points, and per login you get 5 points. FAQs. Here you will find answers to questions such as: what are the benefits of being a member? Is my organization already a member? How do I join the user group? How do I renew my membership? Among other questions. Moving on to the next tab, which is events. Here you'll have a list of upcoming events, speaking opportunities, sponsorship opportunities, and past events. News is where you get all your updates. Moving on to groups. Here you will find discussions as per the SIG, which is say the CEI cycle, HRSIG, Oil and Gas Special Interest Group, Solution Manager, you can also search here on the groups. Moving on to the discussion tab. Here you can find discussions as per the topic. News and announcement, basic of S4HANA, implementation of S4HANA, GST basic, we move on to the last tab, which is the resources. You can download the membership brochure here. You can access the member newsletter, get access to SAP resources, you can listen to all the webinar recordings. There's a special section on GST. Blog, interviews and articles, photos and videos. On the top you can find all the social media icons. You can connect with Indus community on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. A special feature on this website is the login access. As a member, you can sign in here. This is similar to your social media page. So you can view my profile, see edit my profile, browse members, invite your friends. There's a chat option, so you can see there are members online and you can chat with them. There's network stats, You have access to posts. On the right hand side you can see who are the new members who've joined. You can also see list of popular members. You can also start your own discussion here and also do your posts. If you do have any further queries, you can write to us at admin@induscommunity.com.